Well, hey everyone, it's Vicki and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad to have you here. Okay, I'm making quick lunch for someone, actually my son and daughter-in-law, and thought I'd do a quick cucumber salad and show you how I make it. It's pretty good, but I didn't have fresh dill. But you know what? Pampered Chef's all-purpose dill is wonderful, so I wasn't really worried about it. I am using the Rapid Prep Mandolin, and if you look, you'll see how it is slicing the cucumbers. This, like I said, this is a cucumber salad, and I have sliced 3 cucumbers down to this stage, and I'm just going to finish slicing them. The dials for the thickness on the Rapid Prep Mandolin is on the back. You can do julienne, you can do diced, you can do medallions, and I love it because you can't get your fingers down to it. Okay, and when you store it, you turn it, and it all compacts, goes in your drawer compact. Don't you just love some of the tricks Pampered Chef does? Okay, let's get these cucumbers sliced so we can get it together. Okay, to the very end, and no fingers getting damaged. And when you take it out and you start to clean it, the pieces come apart. It's really cool. And I love having everything going into the container, and then I'll just pour it in and add the ingredients. Now, I had the insulated bowl in the freezer, so it would temper it, and it's going to stay cold. I have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. You know, I'm going to grab a bowl so I can do this quickly. We're going to put a little sugar. It's about a teaspoon, and I use Swerve because this is keto low carb. A 1.5 tablespoons of dill, a teaspoon of garlic herb, check this out, okay, about a teaspoon of vinegar. Actually, I didn't use garlic and herb in this one. I didn't have a fresh lemon, so I used Pampered Chef's, the lemon garlic. So I like to put a little lemon in here. Didn't have it. Use what you have. Like I said, I used all-purpose dill. Sour cream, mayonnaise, a little bit of sugar, and it tastes very similar to tzatziki sauce. I didn't put salt in it. And salt and pepper to taste. That's how quick and easy it is. And then you've got a pretty cucumber salad. Like I said, to me, it kind of tastes like tzatziki sauce. Really good. And that's how quick and easy the cucumber salad is. Now, fixing to come back and do the squash in the Rapid Prep Mandolin too. So check out one of the other videos when it says sauteed squash, and you'll see how I made it. As always, give someone your beautiful smile today makes you feel good inside, and you know you just could make somebody else's day. Come back and see me often and let me know where you're watching me from. And if you make my cucumber salad, like I said, I like to use fresh dill in here too, so I might stop by the store and grab some and put it in there. And then I'll top it with a little bit of microgreens as well. So I'm going to hold off on the microgreens until I stop and see if the store's got some fresh dill. So, see you later. Bye.